Good evening, guys. Sean Dex here from Mango, and today I'm going to do a quick update on the Ethereum trade that we've been talking about for the past 3 or 4 days now. So let's do a little bit of catch up. We talked about how we took the trade here at around 138.5. We are looking to first break past the 145 zone, and then right after that, we're looking at, of course, the highs at 157-ish. Then we talked about how people would be looking around this zone here at 175, but we were looking at this guy over here, which lines up with these wicks over here too. And yeah, then after that, if we did break, we were looking at all the way up to 270-ish to 300. I think that was around here. Yeah, that zone. Yeah, let's just put that around there. Okay, cool. So what happened? What happened yesterday? As you can see, we had some really interesting red price action. Now the question is, could we have foreseen it? Well, we kind of talked about this, didn't we? We talked about this horizontal support line, a resistance line rather, that would probably serve as strong resistance. But why was it strong resistance? Let's turn on our EMAs. I probably should have covered this a little bit more because there was confluence with our, I think I did though, I think I talked about this. There's confluence with the horizontal over here and the 200 EMA. Okay, so as expected, price came and stopped there and then got sold into. But now, did I expect it to get sold into this hard? No, of course not. If I did, I wouldn't have re-added my position, added to my position like it did at around 161, I think it was, out of weighted and added over here, right, at the retest of the 200 EMA, 200 MA. Now, this is actually in a way strong. Okay, you have a test here on the first pass. It is expected to sell off. Okay, this is expected. Then you have a test of your prior highs. Okay, well, you first have your test of your 200 MA, and then you come back and test your prior highs. So now, as things stand, as long as we are living above this zone here, above the prior high of 157, 158-ish, there's nothing to be concerned about. Okay, however, if we do break this to the downside and close a daily candle underneath here, then I would have to reevaluate. I'm still looking for price to be supported at the 200 MA, and as long as price does get supported there, I'll stay in the trade. But I may de-risk. I don't know though. I don't know. I'll have to think about it then. We did talk about how the 2-day has a the 50 EMA and the 21 EMA bullish cross coming up too. So I'm not in a hurry with this trade. We've already had some really good price action, and a sell-off is kind of expected. And this is also a lot to do with what BTC did, right? BTC was at some major resistance. Let's go look at BTC. And we talked about BTC in what's going on in index? No, not index. In the previous video, we talked about BTC and its monthly resistance, right? Look at that. We came and hit the 21 EMA and the 10 SMA cross, got rejected and got sold into pretty heavily. This was also bi-weekly and weekly resistance, but I won't talk about that right now. This was pretty straightforward. Okay, I was expecting this to get sold into, and Ethereum reacted because of that, took its FUSD. So now going back to, is there anything else I do want to talk about BTC? Actually, is there? No, nothing. Well, actually, no, I'm going to keep this video really short today. There's not much to talk about. We have to just wait to see what price action does. Like I said, as long as we are living above the 157 region, I am pretty comfortable with this trade. I will keep you guys updated. So yeah, stay tuned. And trade safely, have fun. None of this is financial advice, blah, blah, blah. Throw us a like, throw us a subscribe, and mango.